So, are you ready to see your iPhone in a whole new light? Well, this week, Apple just released iOS 26 public beta. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the iOS 26 installation process, as well as give you some helpful insights along the way. Now, you can try the iOS 26 public beta on your device if you want. However, there's no guarantee that the apps you rely on will work correctly, or that you won't run into a bit of overheating or faster than normal battery drain. And as you can see, the iOS 26 beta comes in at a whopping 16.11 gigabytes on my iPhone 15 Pro. So now let's get to the installation process. So first, let's go to Settings, General, and About to make sure that our iPhone is on the current iOS version and is one of the models that supports the iOS 18 family. Next, let's go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, just to make sure that we have enough storage on our iPhone to support the installation. If not, you'll need to free up some storage either by removing pictures or some apps. Remember, you'll need enough storage to support the 16 gigabyte installation. Next, it's very important to have a current backup of your device. If something happens to go wrong with the installation and you need to reinstall your iOS, you definitely want to make sure you have a current backup of your apps and data. So let's go to Settings, iCloud, and confirm that you have Saved to iCloud settings turned on. Then go to the iCloud backup and confirm Backup this phone is turned on. You can then scroll down to the All Device Backups and locate this phone. Then select the apps that you wish to have backed up. Once completed, go back to the backup screen and select Backup Now. Once this process is complete, you'll see the current date and time next to the last successful backup area. Once you're sure that you've correctly performed the backup tasks, you're ready to start the installation. This can take some time depending on your internet speed and the current iPhone model. So make sure that you have your iPhone plugged into power and have at least 75% of your battery life. Now let's go to Settings, General, Software Update. You may need to turn on the Beta Updates mode and select Beta Updates. Now select the back button, and now you'll see the iOS 26 Beta Update availability screen. Once again, if you're sure you have completed the above steps and are plugged into the power, hit the Update Now button. Again, this is a large update, so it may take some time to finish. Patience is a necessity. So once your iPhone reboots, you can confirm the installation by going into the Settings, General, and About area. You should now see that you're running on the iOS 26 public beta. And that's it. Let me know if you've installed it or found anything new in the comments below. And of course, I've provided a few links to the official Apple developer site just in case you want to check out more of the new features and fixes. And if you found value in this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing so you're alerted when new videos like this one are posted. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.